Okay, so I was just talking about the different shapes and their properties. Okay, right? So I was till like white shape, I have cleared it, right? So coming to the fan or wave. Okay, whenever we talk about the fan or wave, okay, mainly whenever we want to apply the taping for a larger area. Okay, whenever we want to apply the tape for the larger area. So what we do, we make a fan or wave type so that in order to cover a larger area. Okay. Also, in case of like lymphatic drainage, we try to create the channel with the fan or wave. Okay. The next one is the donut type, the circle one, okay, round one. Okay, mainly we are using donut for the localized swelling. Okay, whenever we want to like decompress a localized area, that time we use the donut shape. Okay. That the star one is mainly we are using for the deeper effect, or you can say mainly for the trigger point release, or for the trigger point you can use that. Okay, or also if you want to use it for the deeper effect. Okay, so what it happens, like whenever we apply one tape, then another tape over that, another tape, so it starts pulling, it giving more and more decompression, it giving more and more decompressing effect. Okay, what that decompressing effect is the one which I was talking about, the formation of the convulsion. Okay, formation of the convulsion कैसे होता है, जब हम स्ट्रेच स्क्रीन पे टेप को स्ट्रेच करके लगाते हैं, and once we release that it forms the convulsion, that is creases. और क्या होता है, वो क्रीजेस जो होता है उसी को हम बोलते हैं decompression. वो क्या करता है, वहां पे स्किन और द फेसिया को लिफ्ट अप करता है. So once the skin or the fascia will lift up, क्या होता है वहां से, there will be decrease in the pressure around that area, and it is the tendency of any gas or the liquid, it starts flowing from the high pressure to low pressure in order to balance the pH. और वहां पे क्या होता है, ब्लड फ्रेश ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन हो जाता है, जिससे क्या होता है आपको पेन डिक्रीज हो जाता है और इट एक्सेलरेट द हीलिंग प्रोसेस. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So now coming to the types of application direction. Okay. So types of application direction, basically like it is from the this is the main dilemma while using the Canisteo tape. Basically क्या होता है, like whether to use from insertion to origin or origin to insertion. Okay. So basically whenever you want to facilitate the weaker muscles or just normal pain relieving के लिए, just spasm के लिए, whenever you want to facilitate any muscles, or in case of neuro like muscle facilitation के case में, whenever you want to apply the tape, try to apply that tape from the origin to insertion. Okay, and the stretch should not be more than 50%. It should be less than 50%. The stretching should not be more than 50%. The reason is why I'm telling it should not be more than like 50%, because whenever you are stretching more than 50%, it will not act as a decompression therapy. क्या होगा, जब आप बहुत स्ट्रेच करके छोड़ देंगे ना, मतलब अप्लाई करेंगे, so it will not have the coiling property, recoiling property. Okay, I will just show you one example. Okay, so just try if I'm always here. So what you can do, just 1 second, just focus over this area, this tape here. Okay, so I'm just applying one tape. Okay, so I was just talking about the recoiling property. Okay, so can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So okay, then just I'm trying to apply all. Okay, so And this is the skin surface. Okay, I'm just taking it as a skin surface. This is the tape I'm using. Okay, as example. Okay, I'm just giving 30 to 40% stretch. See, if I'm applying 100% stretch, it will be that much. But I'm just giving slight. Okay, stretch. Okay, now we'll okay. So now see it will not form. I'm trying to remove this tape. Okay, so it will just 1 second. So you cannot see that any conversion over here. Can you see? You cannot see if any conversion will form. Okay, if you have applied with the more stress. Okay, so that is the main difference. Okay, what we have to do whenever you want to apply the tape for the support purpose or offload the muscles. Okay, whenever if you want to apply the tape over the injury part, what you will do, you will apply the tape from the insertion to origin, that is with the more than 50% of stretching. Okay, but whenever you want to just apply the tape for the pain relief or the muscle facilitation or for the spasm, so in that case you will apply the tape from the origin to insertion, and the stress should not be more than 50%. Okay, it should be less than like 30%. You can say that no, 30%, 20% or maximum. Okay, is that clear? Where you will apply the tape from the insertion to origin or origin to insertion.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the main thing about the kinetic taping. Okay. After that, just have a look of this video. Like usually people say that, see, like we don't have so much of resources or so much of evidence which support that this tape is very effective. Okay, but still it has got some psychological effect as well on the patient, and you can see this. How does this tape give psychological effects? You can see over here. Okay, see in this video. Okay.
Partition.
When it was applied over the head of the cat, okay, you can see that the cat is not moving forward, okay, because of the psychological thing, okay.
There is a pressure on its head, avoiding that the first tape creates, the cat seems to drive and back away from the tape. The reaction of the second cat is the same, yet it seems that the cat has no reaction to the tape. Both cats significantly the period of frozen. Also, as soon as the tape was removed from the cat, they returned to their normal. Position 2. The cat showed the same reaction to the tape on their side. Initially, the cat went in the opposite direction of the side the tape was placed on. From the tape. This cat was aware of the tape on its side and tried to hide it by walking against the wall. She also removed the tape at the bottom of the stairs. Position 3.
is applied over the stomach, the cat is trying to make a hum, okay, and walk. Okay.
Position for the back. The cat reacts through the breath.
See, the back पे लगाने के बाद that cat it starts walking by flossing their hump back down. Okay.
The cat removes the tape from its back and returns to normal.
See now.
Position 5. The chest. The cat's initial reaction is to step over the tape on its chest, but when that fails, the cat tries to leap over the tape.
See, it's not walking normally, it's jumping. Okay. So this is just a funny video. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So that is the effect of tape. Psychological effect sometimes gives a lot of things. Like many times क्या होता है, जो पेशेंट को जो है ना साइकोलॉजिकली भी सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. दे डोंट हैव द पेन. मेनी टाइम्स आपके पास पेशेंट आते हैं, दे हैव गॉट द साइकोसोमैटिक पेन. उनको पेन यूजुअली होता नहीं है, बट उनके ब्रेन में बैठा हुआ जो आई एम गेटिंग द पेन. So that is the thing. Now coming to the indications, like almost like in every like all types of musculoskeletal injury you can use, like then musculoskeletal pain you can use. Okay. Then you can say that in neurological condition, in order to facilitate the muscles, we use in order to prevent correct the deformity, we use the taping. Okay. So there are different like for lymphatic drainage system, we apply the tape. Okay. Coming to the contraindication, we don't recommend to tape over the like if the skin is very allergic. If there is any open wound, don't apply the tape over that area. Okay, if the patient is having very sensitive skin, don't apply the tape. Okay, then don't apply the tape very with the more pressure that it can lead to decrease in the blood circulation to that area. Okay, so don't apply the tape very tight. Okay, then you can say that also we don't recommend to use the tape if someone has got the bruises or bed sores or something like that. Okay, don't use the tape over that area. Okay, you can see here some of the use of taping in the sports player. Okay, okay, and see that. Okay, then the taping used in the Bollywood by the Bollywood stars. So these are the some of the tape they have been using it. Okay, and this is nowadays it has become very fashion, and usually they ask for colorful tape. Okay, so it's nothing like that you will do with the one color. They will ask you for the many colors. Okay, okay, so if like you can ask any questions. If you have any questions, you can ask in the chat box, or you can just unmute your mic and you can ask. So no problem. Any questions? Yeah.